Hi students, welcome back. Let's continue with our subject digital logic. In the previous video, I explained about how to convert the Boolean functions into logic diagram. So in this video, I am going to explain how to minimize the number of literals using the algebraic manipulation. The first thing the students are getting that, is it necessary to minimize the Boolean function? Number of literals in the algebraic means it's nothing but in the Boolean function I want to reduce the equation. Why we need to reduce the equation? Because whatever the expression we are getting, for that expression, if you are trying to construct the logical diagrams, you need to add more AND gates, NOT gates, OR gates, XOR gates, like that. The circuit becomes very big and it becomes a complicated. So whenever some errors will occur, it is difficult to identify also to check with all the gates. So it's better before constructing the logical diagram, try to minimize the expression. Whatever the algebraic expression, the Boolean function is given, try to minimize that function. Then finally you construct the logical diagram. So that's why in the previous video I explained how to convert the Boolean functions into logical diagram. I explained, but now whatever the expression is there, I want to try to minimize that function, so that my circuit will become easy to construct and easy to maintenance also. Now, so how to minimize this number of literals, that is the variables that are present in the Boolean function using algebraic manipulation. So I think before the students who are watching this video are having the aware of algebraic equations. So some formulas are there. So if you don't know the formulas, you just go and watch that, first see the formulas and by heart it. Otherwise also no problem. While I'm explaining the how the minimization of the literals, I'm using the formulas. So whenever I'm using the formulas, I'll explain the concept also. Okay, shall we start? So let me take a first expression. So here I'm taking an expression like x plus x dash y. This is my Boolean function. I want to minimize the number of literals here. Already here I am having total in here 1 literal and here 2 literals I am using. So this is already seems to be very simple Boolean function. Even though it is simple, I want to still try to make it as more simple. Okay, with less number of literals. So how can I do? So this expression I am going to divide it into x plus x dash into x plus y. So first these two and next these two. So I can write like this. This expression is equal to this expression. How? It is nothing but according to distributive property. So this is a distributive property, students. So whenever these types of equation x plus x dash y is coming, so you can first, these two are comes under one bracket and these two are comes under another bracket. This is the distributive property. So according to the distributive property, I write like this. After that, next is x plus x dash is nothing but 1. The formula is that. Okay, so one of the law. In that law, x plus x dash y plus y dash becomes 1, and this is x plus y. So 1 into x plus y, anyhow it is x plus y only. So is my expression is minimized or not? So previously my expression is x plus x dash y. So I reduced x plus x dash y into x plus y. So what I minimized? Here I reduced one NOR gate or NOT gate. So here I have to use one AND gate. Okay, how many gates you need to use? Here you have to use one AND gate and one OR gate and one NOT gate. Total 3 gates you need to use in this expression. But in this expression, only one OR gate is sufficient. So did I minimize the expression or not? Yes, I minimized the expression by applying the algebraic manipulations. So if you first try to understand the algebraic manipulations and apply the formulas, then you can easily minimize the equations. It's a very easy. Anyhow, at the end of this video, you will get all the terms, means what are the expressions that are the minimized expressions, the formulas, you will get a clarity on this. Now, let's have a look on another problem. So until you get the clarity on this topic, I don't want to stop this. So still, if I'll take one more video to minimize the number of literals using algebraic manipulation, so that at the end of this complete topic you will get the formulas as well as how to minimize the expression also. Now let me take another expression, x into x dash plus y. So this is an expression. Here I had used one, let me expand it, xx dash plus xy. Here I had used one AND gate and OR gate and NOT gate. Okay, so try to reduce the equation. So x into x dash is nothing but 0. Right or wrong? One is positive and another is negative, means it's opposite, x into x dash. One, suppose 2 into 1 by 2 means you will get only 1. Okay, in the same way, here x into x dash means it's nothing but a 0. Both are cancelled. Whenever both are get cancelled, it becomes 0. Plus xy. So this is another formula. Remember student, x into x dash, y into y dash, a into b dash, a into a dash, b into b dash. If you get the equations like this, it's nothing but it is a 0. So 0 plus xy is nothing but what? Xy. So how many gates? Here you are using AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. But if you, after minimization, you need to use only one AND gate. So this is what? A simple expression. X, Y. You're getting X, Y. That's it. Okay, so let's have a look on another equation. Let me take another equation. X dash, Y dash, Z plus x dash yz plus xy dash. So let's try to minimize this equation. Shall we start? Okay. So let me take a common x dash z. Here x dash z is there and here x dash z is there. So try to take it as a common. So then y dash plus y plus xy dash. So apply the formula. Y dash plus y is nothing but 1. If x into x dash or y into y dash is 0, then x plus x dash, y plus y dash, anything, a plus a dash, b plus b dash represents nothing but 1. So y dash plus y is nothing but 1 plus xy dash. So your final equation is x dash z plus xy dash. So see here. Here you are trying to use 3 AND gates, but here only 2 AND gates. Here I am using 3 AND gates and my final reduced expression is 2 AND gates. So this is why we are minimizing the number of literals using the algebraic manipulation, so that my circuit becomes, the size of the circuit becomes less and I can use less gates. Whenever I use the less gates, automatically the cost will be reduced, maintenance will be easy, everything will be clear and. So in the next video, I'll explain more examples so that you will get the clarity on how to minimize the number of literals using algebraic manipulation. So while I'm explaining the concept, you will get the formulas also. Thank you.